The Crawlspace Pro Cleaner is a hydrogen peroxide-based wood restorative cleaning product. It's going to remove stains on wood caused by anything organic, mold, mildew, fungus, blood, urine.
It's a complete solution. It thoroughly cleans wood and prepares it for additional structural work, for mold remediation. It's a game changer.
It's an extremely fast and efficient product. We recommend it to any restoration or crawl space professional in the industry.
It's just a two-part mixture. You take your activator, pour it in your gallon of cleaner, put it in a sprayer, and you can go to work within minutes. You mix the chemical and spray it once, and that's it.
As soon as it comes in contact with the wood, it immediately starts to aggressively foam. And that foaming action is powerful because that's actually the cleaning process. It's actually visible.
You can start to see a difference as soon as 15 minutes.
The product works in spades. It removes any of the stains, any of the fungal matter. It almost looks in some cases like new wood when it's done.
You're going to save time and money just for the fact that it does the work for your crew.
No scrub, no rinse, no bleach. Everything we do at YCS comes from the idea of doing things that are safer for both the installer and the homeowner and also the environment.
One of the big benefits of using your Crawlspace cleaner is the peace of mind that the homeowner gets knowing that we're not spraying toxic chemicals.
It's H2O2, hydrogen peroxide. The byproduct is water. When it's all done, it's water.
You do get the same efficacy as a sodium hypochlorite or a bleach product without having all the harsh chemicals.
The Pro Cleaner is safe to use on any historic home or any new construction home. It's an environmentally friendly product. There's really virtually no smell.
This product makes me get good reviews. Good reviews are critical in growing a business.
If you're looking for a product where you're able to deliver really powerful results as far as visuals, before and afters, without the risk, the YCS Pro Cleaner is the product for you.
It is amazing, the before and after.
YCS Pro Cleaner has changed our business, and it's incorporated into our DNA at this point.
Try our product today and revolutionize the way you clean.